How to study for Chinese HSK 5 exam. Are you already preparing for the most important Chinese test, HSK? Download this easy-to-use HSK 5 Chinese survival package including procedure how to register for HSK 5, HSK 5 vocabulary, HSK 5 flashcards, HSK 5 official tests, etc. The HSK 5 survival package. This HSK 5 or Hanyu Shuīpíng Kaoshi words list is the name for the International Chinese Standard Test to check how well someone has mastered the Chinese language correctly. It is also known as the Chinese TOEFL. We are providing you the following tools to progress from beginner to master in HSK and Chinese language. HSK 5 vocabularies with all HSK 5 Chinese characters, pinyin, English explanation. HSK 5 flashcards. HSK 5 official test exams. HSK 5 practicing example sentences. HSK Chinese characters radicals. HSK pinyin pronunciation. HSK checklist. HSK registration form. 687 pages of learning material. If you don't want the survival package, you can also download all modules separately below. HSK 5 vocabulary. This HSK 5 vocabulary includes all HSK 5 Chinese characters, pinyin, English explanation. This HSK 5 Chinese characters list is a complete vocabulary of all the words you need to master and is of the most important learning tools to learn the language, such as the radicals, characters, and words. It's very important to study the right vocabulary. HSK 5 vocabulary. http://www.albusinesstemplates.com/template/09ulk/ HSK 5 flashcards. One highly efficient method to learn a new language is by using flashcards. We provide flashcards for each character. HSK 5 flashcards. http://www.albusinesstemplates.com/template/s6ni/ HSK 5 official test exams. One or more official test exams aims to help to better understand the question types and general format for the HSK test. HSK 5 official test exam. H51. http://www.albusinesstemplates.com/template/ubo6j/HSK 5 official test exam. H51001. http://www.albusinesstemplates.com/template/ya5dj/HSK 5 official test exam. H51002. http://www.albusinesstemplates.com/template/L39up/HSK 5 official test exam. H51003. http://www.albusinesstemplates.com/template/wixer/HSK 5 official test exam. H51004. http://www.albusinesstemplates.com/template/nu5william/HSK 5 official test exam. H51005. http://www.albusinesstemplates.com/template/msim/HSK 5 official test exam. H51221. http://www.albusinesstemplates.com/template/p9ckh/HSK 5 official test exam. H51327. http://www.albusinesstemplates.com/template/2084f/HSK 5 official test exam. H51328. http://www.albusinesstemplates.com/template/nkb5j/HSK 5 official test exam. H51329. http://www.albusinesstemplates.com/template/u2jbj/HSK 5 official test exam. H51330. http://www.albusinesstemplates.com/template/bond/HSK 5 official test exam. H51332. http://www.albusinesstemplates.com/template/hz6cm/other HSK 5 official test exams can also be found on this website. HSK 5 Practicing Example Sentence is a very easy to use practicing tool in order to put the words in perspective. By getting to know easy to use sentences made out of other HSK words will enable you to improve your reading skills. HSK 5 Example Sentences. http://www.albusinesstemplates.com/template/qms60/ HSK List of all Chinese radicals. This template explores all Chinese radicals and explains their meaning. Chinese radicals. http://www.albusinesstemplates.com/template/jacsqj/ HSK Pinyin Pronunciation. This HSK Pinyin Pronunciation chart will explain to you how to pronounce the Pinyin Chinese characters. HSK Pinyin Pronunciation. http://www.albusinesstemplates.com/template/xmn/ HSK Checklist. The basic steps to follow to start doing your exam. How to apply for HSK. http://www.albusinesstemplates.com/template/mu/ HSK Registration Form. The standard registration form you need to fill in once you start with HSK. HSK Registration Form. http://www.albusinesstemplates.com/template/ug3/ How to start learning Chinese. The Chinese language is what they call a tonal language since people use 4 different tones. However, it has a well-defined set of characters. It has a simple grammar system and it has no conjugation. In general, mastering 1.000 characters is enough for handling yourself in daily situations, both in and out of a professional context. To compare with another widely spoken language, English, which uses the 26 letters Latin alphabet, the Chinese language has no alphabet. However, it uses a set of 214 strokes, or radicals, which make it possible to find a word in a dictionary, and to write the characters. The pronunciation of Mandarin Chinese is helped by Pinyin, which is a way to write Chinese using Latin characters. It is possible to start speaking Chinese immediately, thanks to this system. Mandarin Chinese cannot be confused with Cantonese Chinese, which is considered a different language spoken in mostly southern China, Hong Kong, Guangdong. Facts and statistics about Mandarin Chinese. Over 1 billion people speak standard Mandarin Chinese worldwide. Putonghua. 4 tones apply to all or part of the syllables. 214 strokes make up Chinese characters. 400 syllables are enough to pronounce the words. Over 1.000 characters are necessary to speak fluently. Over 5.000 characters are necessary to understand 100%. Total package deal now. This HSK survival package is suitable for those with a high-performance mindset and motivated to learn the Chinese language the right way. Our education templates will make you achieve your goal to achieve your HSK 5 degree faster. This will be good for your business or personal goals. Good luck with the preparations. Check out and download this template. www.albusinesstemplates.com